Now let's see how you can install SSL to your domain name, so that it will going to show this pedal like connection is secure. If you don't have SSL, then it will show like this, not secure, not secure. So it's very dangerous whenever any visitor come to your website. So for security purpose, we use SSL certificate. So it's very easy to install in Hostinger. So you can see, you can just go on SSL here at very top. Here you can click on install SSL. From here also you can install to this domain gabagab.in, and on home it is also showing lifetime SSL. So just click on setup. From here also you can install. So it's very easy. Just click on install SSL. It will take some time. Just wait for some minutes, 1 to 3 minutes maximum. So now you can see it has shown that SSL is installed successfully. You just need to click on close. Okay, so this is how you can install SSL. So whatever domain you have, you can just go to SSL, and when you will click on install SSL, so whatever domains you will going to have, all those domains will going to show up here. You have to just select that domain, and you just need to click on install now. Okay, just go to home again.